Look, catch it. Oh, shit.
All right, Gadget Squad, let's start here because you're probably wondering how I almost set my house on fire. Let's dive into it. Okay, so the initial plan for this video was to just review these travel size cologne bottles. If you travel a lot like me, then these are the perfect space savers for you. And what better way to review these than with my favorite cologne? Also, the perfect excuse to buy more cologne. Thanks a lot, Amazon. Thanks a lot. Let's dive into this unboxing. So the first time I ever smelled this was on my brother before he hit the club. It smelled really fresh, like sweet citrus wood, coming from an ocean breeze, if that makes sense. I know it's a little dramatic, but it's the best way I could sum it up before I break it down. Okay, so let's see what we have. Here, this is the car air freshener. This is the Acqua Di Gio. We have the soy wax candle and the travel size bottle. All right, squad, get your scuba gear ready because we're about to dive in. So when it comes to breaking down scents of perfumes and colognes, we break them down into notes. The top notes open the melody with short tenacity. Once they evaporate, you can welcome the middle notes. Middle notes appear and will stay for a few hours. At last, the bottom notes, also known as bass, will linger sometimes even until the morning. In the Acqua Di Gio, the top notes consist of Jasmine and Neroli. Moving on to the middle notes, aka the heart of the fragrance, there's Jasmine and Freesia. And moving on to the base notes, we have Cedar musk, which is a fixative. It's basically a chemical substance used to preserve or stabilize biological matter. It's also used to keep things in position or stick them together. When we move down the triangle, the tenacity increases. It lasts longer. Along with the kit, we have a car air freshener. This is the car air freshener container. Just unscrew the cap here. And we'll get the soy wax. Just pop it right in. Screw the cap back on. And once you're in the car, you just slide it in between. And there you go. Just turn on the heat or the air and it'll just flow through the car. Oh, look what's this. The reason I almost set my house on fire. Because look, I got this spin done on the first try, man. And then I light this. And then I wasn't supposed to light the lavender, but I lit the lavender. And then that's what happened. It was this little candle. But it makes a good picture though. And look at the travel size bottle, man. Here to save you space on your travels. Just look, just watch. Self-explanatory. All right, so you got that in the bottom. I couldn't help it, I just had to explain. All right, boom, remove the cap. All right, now you see where the connection goes. There it is. And it's gonna just show you, it'll just show you how much you're filling up. And so you'll know when it's in the top. And that's cap, boom, spray, all right. Fwap. Oh, it just sprayed too, look at that. All right, put the fire out. Too little, too late. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.